Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sleep Beauty Chin Reducer, Saggy Skin Reducer. This is supposed to reduce, the chin, the wrinkles, and the, just the sagginess of your chin. It can also help with elasticity. So let's open it up and see what it has. So out of the container, you have the charger. So you have your USB charger to charge it, because this also has headphones in it. So not only do you can use it to sleep, you can also use it to walk out. When you're walking out, running outside, you can use it for that. So this is what it looks like. It's a band. So to wear it, you'll see you have your speakers area. Please make sure to remove the speakers and also the control panel. Remove that before you wash your headband, okay? So don't put this in the wash. So just take it. We're gonna put this on the chin, and then this speaker area goes to your ears like that, you see? And then we're gonna connect the top, and there's a Velcro right over here. So you're just gonna clip that together with the Velcro, and this is how it is worn. So you do have the speakers connected to your ears. Push that. So to use this, you have to use it with Bluetooth. So you want to turn on your Bluetooth. Once you turn on your Bluetooth, then you can start using this. So this is it. I absolutely love that you can wear it anywhere. It's so comfortable, very, very comfortable to use. So lovely, lovely, lovely compartment. So give it a try, sleep with it. Consistent use is important when you use this to get your slimmer chin. So I absolutely love this, and I'll keep on using it.